Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell KA mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 2 kg and gross weight about 2.5 kilograms. Goldshell KA supports the Blake2B algorithm, allowing you to mine KAS cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 1.18 T. Its power consumption is only 400 watt, making it an excellent choice with outstanding parameters. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 1180 GH/s, the power consumption is around 400 watt, and the noise level is approximately 35 decibels. Both the power consumption and the quiet operation are excellent. How to set up the miner for working normally? Please open the official website of Goldshell, www.goldshell.com, click Support, and then click the following tabs to find our miner. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and wallet, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Based on a KAS price of 14 cents and a mining difficulty of 2.23 T on April 11, 2024, the daily earnings of Goldshell KA 1.18 T miner are approximately $8.21. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Goldshell KA 1.18 T miner is a high hash rate, low power, and quiet mining machine. With a hash rate of 1.18 T and a power consumption of only 400 watt, it supports KAS mining. Its compact design and decent profitability make it suitable for mining in various environments, including homes and offices. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.